3D printing can turn your dreams into reality. Curious about how it works? Let's dive into the 3 levels. Starting with level 1, the beginner's playground. These machines are perfect for hobbyists and schools. They're easy to use and affordable, but they're best for smaller, simpler projects. Think phone cases and miniature models. Level 2 is where things get interesting. These printers are more advanced and can handle larger, more complex designs. Ideal for serious hobbyists and small businesses, they offer better precision and more material options like flexible filaments and even some metals. Now level 3. The big leagues of 3D printing. These industrial-grade machines are used in aerospace, medicine, and automotive industries. They can print large-scale, highly detailed objects with a variety of advanced materials, including composites and ceramics. So, whether you're a newbie or a pro, there's a 3D printer for you. Ready to start printing your imagination? Hit that like button if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.